Scrapbookers, and welcome back to the Crafty Meggy YouTube channel. Today I am going to be sharing my scrapbookingstore.com kit for the month of August. I know it is today, as I'm recording this, August 7th. Our kits were a little bit backed up this month, so we apologize, and hopefully if you haven't gotten your kit yet for the month, you will be getting it as soon as possible. So without further ado, this is our month's kit, and as you can tell, it is a birthday kit. Who doesn't love birthdays? I think there's actually a lot of people that don't love birthdays, but which is weird to me because I absolutely love birthdays. 2 pieces. Okay, so this is the kit that we are going to be using today. I think my camera is a little crooked, so whenever I put something straight on my surface, it like doesn't look straight in the camera. It's weird. Anyway, so this is our August kit. It's Simple Stories 12 by 12 Simple Set Birthday, and it is 71 pieces. This is copyright 2023, so this is a last year birthday set. I'm pretty sure that Simple Stories does a new like birthday set every year, and so this was last year's, and I'm sure they have a new one for this year. I'm not sure like the whole when things come out, but I think it's in the fall time. Okay, sorry, I totally should have pulled all of the papers out of the packaging. I have a stamp that appeared on my paper, so I apologize about the noise. I'm going to leave the embellishments in their little packages just because that's easier. So first off, I will show you the main kit, and then we will move on to the upgrade kit, which is the embellishments. I apologize about my voice. My allergies have been going haywire because there's a bunch of smoke in the area that I live. Also, I keep forgetting to take my allergy meds. I take Zyrtec in the morning and then Allegra at night, and I have been so bad in not taking my medicine. So I need to get back into the habit of taking that because obviously I don't want to sound like a man. But I apologize. I'm still feeling the effects of allergies. So I hope you can bear with me for the next week or so while I get back on my medications, and hopefully that will help my voice not sound so manly. Anyway, we're going to jump right in. So like I said, this is the birthday simple set 12 by 12 from Simple Stories. So the first paper that we see is called Birthday. I love this little banner. I most undoubtedly will use this side of the paper. I do love yellow as well for like matting photos, but that is just quite bright. Not sure that I'll use that as a background. I think I definitely like this side better, but it actually looks like this kit comes with 2 of each paper. So that is actually really nice. I probably could use this on this same paper to mat photos with. So that is actually really nice. This kit comes with 2 of each paper. Okay, then we have, oh, you know what? So Birthday is the name of the kit, I guess. Sorry. So this piece of paper is called It's My Day. And we'll see if my video camera will focus on it so that you guys can see it. I don't think it is. I think it wants to focus down here. So this one is called It's My Day. Then this beautiful blue, it's like a sky blue, turquoise blue with polka dots and stars on it. This one is called Make a Wish. That's super cute. Oh, I absolutely love the background. I am so excited that we have 2 of each of these papers because I love all of these so far. Then we have the 3 by 4 cut apart sheet. So this is called Elements. You've got 3 by 4s, 4 by 4 or 2 by 2s, and 4 by 6s. On the back is a really pretty polka dot. I love that. Then, oh, this was, let's see, this Oh, so I think we probably stuck in a couple different collections here, it looks like. So it's not all just birthday. So this one is called Totally Cute, and it's from the collection Pet Shop. I love these darker, not so pastel colors. It's really, really pretty, and this background is awesome. I probably won't scrapbook this piece of paper with the birthday paper though, if I'm being honest. The colors are just a little different, and I'm kind of OCD like that. Then this one is called, the collection is called St. Patrick's Day, and this is, the paper is called Chasin' Rainbows. I will definitely use this one, and I'm very, very sad that there is only one, because rainbows are like one of my favorite things these days, along with unicorns and butterflies. But this one totally goes with this birthday kit, so I might, yeah, use that one. Then the next collection is called True Colors and Happy to Report. And that's really pretty. It's got the same kind of pastel colors. So I might use this one with the birthday collection. This one is called Happy New Year, as well as the next paper. I'm sorry, my air conditioner is starting to go off again. I hope you can't hear it too well. So we have Happy New Year is the collection, and then we have the papers called Midnight Kisses and It's a New Year. So Midnight Kisses is just a fun bright stripe. I absolutely love that. And then the back of it is just a bunch of streamers. Then the second piece of paper from the collection Happy New Year is just polka dots and then numbers. That's kind of fun for a birthday. That totally goes along with that birthday theme. And Tinian just turned 14, so I could totally use, it only goes up to 10, but I could use like a 1 and a 4. And Rachel just turned 18, so I could use a 1 and an 8. So I've got some birthdays that I just had photos taken of, so this is perfect. We do have another one from Pet Shop. So these two are from Pet Shop. And this one that I haven't showed you yet is called Best Friends. And it's a polka dot. I love that. And then a yellow diagonal stripe. I love polka dots and stripes and all of the things. They're my favorite types of patterns. I just love patterns. Any type of pattern, really. So then we have our sticker sheet. So the sticker sheet is from the birthday collection, and it's called Cardstock Stickers from Simple Stories, and this is copyright 2023. So it's just got a bunch of birthday themes and sayings on here that's really, really cute. So I think I'm going to print off a couple of photos and dive in. I made a sketch for this month for the scrapbooking store. So if you want to play along and possibly win in our scrapbooking store Facebook group, if you are a member of the Facebook group, you can participate in the sketch challenge and possibly win a giveaway. We'll give you, I think it's the August kit is what we would give you, or it might possibly be a kit from the past. So make sure that you jump on over to the group, the Facebook group. It's just scrapbookingstore.com, or I think it's just Scrapbooking Store is the Facebook group. And check out the sketch that I made and then enter it to win. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys will check out my link below if you're not already a member of the Scrapbooking Store Kit Club. But this Kit Club is very, very affordable in today's Kit Club world, in my opinion. I know I get the kit for free, but before I ever became a design team member, this was one of the kits that I was actually really, really looking at because it is so much more affordable. And it isn't like you don't get new collections. We do usually do like the past year's collections and stuff like that. Sometimes we will throw in a new collection. I think a couple of months ago we did like a whole stack of paper. Let me grab it. So for the whole month of May, or for the month of May, the scrapbooking store kit that we got was to use this parasol collection from Meggy Homes. And yes, it is a couple years old. Let's see, what year was this? 2022, I think, is when it came out, or maybe when it was printed. I think Parasol came out in 2022. And I never got any of this collection. So it was really fun to get the whole paper pad. It came with 48 papers, and like every single kit member got the whole paper pad. And it was only like, I think 30 bucks a month or something like that. They charge you based on how many months a year you want to have a kit. So if you only want to have a kit for 6 months out of the year, like, they charge you for the whole year up front, and it's cheaper the longer you do it. So every year, if you just sign up for a 12-month subscription, then it works out to be cheaper in the long run. But anyway, I digress. I just really love this kit club. I hope that you guys will use my link if you're not already a member of this kit club. I will leave it down in the description below. Thanks so much for coming over. Have a great day. Bye. You know what, guys? I just realized I forgot to show you the embellishment pack. So the upgrade pack is going to be these 3 items. It does cost a little bit extra. I don't remember how much, but usually the upgrade pack will come with 3 embellishments. Sometimes you get an alpha. This month we did not. So this month we got Simple Stories Color Vibe chipboard bits, and these are the summer pieces. So it just looks like a bunch of tags and arrows and just different shapes, which is super fun. Then we have the Paper House Studio Stickables, and it's a birthday theme. So that is really fun, and it looks like you get 2 of each of those. And then the Paper Studio Stickables numbers. And that is super duper fun. So I could even do like 14th birthday and use the 14 or the 18 for Rachel. So that is the upgrade kit. Super simple. And all you have to do is just subscribe to the upgrade kit when you sign up if you want to get the extra add-ons. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.